What if I told you the pinnacle of television isn't just a screen, but a window into a new reality, a place where every pixel is perfect and every detail feels so real, you could reach out and touch it. Welcome back to The Honest Explorer, where we're not afraid to get nerdy about tech. Today, we're reviewing Samsung's new crown jewel, the Neo QLED 8K QN900F. Prepare to have your mind blown. Let's start with the design. This thing isn't just a TV. It's a piece of art. The metal frame design is so perfectly minimal, it practically disappears, letting the stunning 8K picture take center stage. But the real spectacle is the tech inside. The Quantum Mini LED Pro uses LEDs that are 1/50th the size of conventional ones. This allows for incredible precision, creating deep blacks and bright whites with Quantum Matrix Technology Pro. Just look at this horse. The details in the mane, the shading on the body, it's flawless. You get brilliant detail in the darkest and brightest scenes. And what about that annoying glare from your windows? The QN900F has a glare-free screen. No matter where you're sitting or how much light is in the room, the picture remains flawless. It's like having your own personal theater, minus the sticky floors and loud snack wrappers. Powering all of this is the NQ8 AI Gen 2 processor. This is more than a processor, it's a genius. With a whopping 256 AI neural networks, it can take lower resolution content and transform it into a hyper-clear 8K experience. Even old videos get a new lease on life. The Auto HDR remastering is seriously impressive. It takes standard content and using deep learning gives it that beautiful HDR-like quality. That washed-out plane shot is suddenly bursting with vibrant colors and rich contrast. It's a complete visual upgrade. Now, let's talk sound. Adaptive Sound Pro tunes the audio for whatever you're watching, and Active Voice Amplifier Pro makes dialogue crystal clear. With Q Symphony, the TV's speakers work with a Samsung soundbar to create a rich, full soundscape that fills the room. And the sound literally follows the action with Object Tracking Sound Pro. If a car is racing across the screen, the sound moves with it, creating a truly immersive experience. Pair that with Motion Accelerator 120 Hz, and you get fluid, lag-free motion. That is a gamer's dream. For gamers, this TV is a must-have. With AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, you get a tear-free, shutter-free, low-latency HDR gaming experience. AI Auto Game Mode optimizes the settings for whatever genre you're playing. And the new mini map detection feature is a total cheat code. It's like the TV knows what you need before you even do. The Smart Hub One UI Tizen is a joy to navigate, and Samsung TV Plus offers tons of free channels. It's an endless stream of content, all managed from one slick interface. The QN900F is an entire entertainment system in one device. It's not just a TV, it's a declaration that your living room is now a state-of-the-art visual and auditory masterpiece. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. For more honest tech reviews, see you next time.